Vera Wang Princess. It's more than perfume, it's your signature. Crown your moment. Vera Wang Princess.
This amazing commercial video is generated using only AI tools. Here you can notice that the model, product, and style are very consistent. I created this professional-level commercial video featuring my virtual model with the help of AI. And today, I am going to share the step-by-step method of creating the commercial video with you. So subscribe to our channel and watch the video till the end. Let's dive in. Okay, imagine I want to promote this product featuring this model. So, first, we need a script or a storyboard. If you already have a storyboard, then it's great. However, I will use ChatGPT to create the storyboard. I am simply copying the product URL and then asking ChatGPT about the product. After analyzing the product, ChatGPT will provide all the information about the product like this. Now, I am telling it that I want to create an extremely professional-level commercial video of this product, featuring a model using an AI video generator that can generate 5-second video clips. After that, I am asking it to create a perfect and engaging storyboard for me. You can see that ChatGPT starts generating the storyboard. And here it is, our storyboard is ready. This is a perfect storyboard. I like it. However, if you don't like the storyboard, you can generate a new one and mention the context to get the precise storyboard. Okay, our storyboard is ready. Now it's time to create the commercial video. To create the video, I will use an amazing AI video generator called Vidu AI. Whether you want to generate videos from a text prompt or turn your images into video clips, everything is possible here. Its brand new model, Vidu Q1, can generate the most realistic video clips. But the most interesting feature is this reference to video generator tool. You can create an amazing video using any reference. It's fast, high quality, and affordable. You will get the link in the description. Just head over there, click on Try Vidu from here, and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here, at the top of the page, you will find tools like reference to video, image to video, and text to video to create video clips, and AI sound effects to create sound effects from any video clip. Okay, let's start creating our videos using the Vidu AI video generator. I am selecting the text to video generator tool. This is the text to video generator interface. Here, at the top of the page, you can set the video generation model. I am selecting the new and most advanced model, Vidu Q1. After selecting the video generation model, enter the text prompt here in this box. I am simply entering the first prompt provided by ChatGPT. Once done, you will find the Pro Mode toggle here. If you turn on this feature, the AI will enhance the prompt and make it a super rich prompt to generate the best result. And you can see the prompt now. It did a great job. This is really an amazing prompt. Next, come to the Settings tab and set the style between General and Animation. The Vidu Q1 model only supports generating 5-second long videos. On other models, you can generate up to 8-second video clips. Next, we have resolution and then movement amplitude. As we turned on the Pro mode, we couldn't change it. Now set the aspect ratio and the number of video clips you want to generate. And in the end, you can turn on the off-pick mode to reduce the credit cost. It will take a huge amount of time to generate the video, so I won't use this feature. Once everything is set, hit the Create button. It will take some time to generate the video clip, so I will fast forward the video. And here it is. The video is ready. And look at the quality of the video. It's clear and crisp. It looks like a professional studio quality video. The motion is subtle and there is no glitch in the video. It's a perfect video clip for a promotional or commercial video. Now, you can generate all the scenes and video clips using this method. However, there is a catch. We can't perfectly define and generate our product and model in the text-to-video generator model. So, what should we do? Generate scene images using any image generator and then turn them into video clips using image-to-video, like this? You can do that, but it will be a very complex and time-consuming task. Instead of doing that, I will use the Reference to Video tool. Here, we can upload 1 to 7 reference images and then generate consistent character and subject videos. I already collected a product image and the image of the model. Now, let's see how we can generate the video using the Reference to Video generator. I am copying the very first prompt from ChatGPT and then pasting it into the prompt box. After entering the prompt, set the reference image in the appropriate place. Just set the cursor and then type @ comma and then mention the image name. After that, you can enable the Pro mode to enhance the prompt. Next, set all other settings and then hit the Create button. After waiting for some time, I got this result. Now you can see that Vidu generates a perfect video clip with our model. Now, let's create the second video clip. According to the prompt, the second video is about a close-up of the model's hand and the perfume bottle. I am entering the prompt and uploading the images of the model and the product. After that, mention the images in the prompt. Once done, set all other settings and then hit the Create button. And here it is, our video clip is ready. This is a perfect video clip for our video. Okay, now in the same method, create all the video clips according to the storyboard and prompts. If you face any errors, tweak them. Alright, all of our video clips are ready. Now I will generate the sound effects. And to do that, I will use the AI sound effect tool. With this tool, you can create amazing 10-second sound effects in timestamp mode. After coming here, mention the time of the sound effect clips and then mention the sound. ChatGPT already provides us with the sound effects suggestions for every clip, so I will use them to generate the sound effects. I am setting the timestamp and then entering the sound effect description according to ChatGPT. Once done, click here to generate the sound. After the process is completed, review it and then download the clip. In this method, download all the audio clips. Okay, now we have to generate the voiceover. You can use any text-to-speech generator. I am using 11 Labs. Just select the voice actor and then enter the voiceover script and then generate the voice. Once the voiceover is generated, download it onto your device. Okay, all of our assets are ready. Now I will assemble them using a video editor. After importing all the assets, I will enter them in the timeline and then edit them according to ChatGPT's suggestions. Once done, I will add the sound effects and do all the customization needed. Once everything is set, export the video onto your device. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look.
She owns every room she walks into and leaves a trail of magic behind. A scent as bold as her spirit, crowned with elegance. Floral, fearless, fantastical, where dreams meet desire. Vera Wang Princess. It's more than perfume. It's your signature. Crown your moment. Vera Wang Princess.
I think it's a very good commercial video. You can make it better by adding some extra effects. So now using the Vidu Q1 video generator model, you can create this kind of amazing commercial video, and the result is very consistent. So if you want to create your own, don't forget to try this tool. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear about your experience creating commercial videos using Vidu Q1. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!